10,000 tick trap. Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. TGIM pandas. Thank God it's Monday, Monday, Monday. I'm Bye Bye Money. We're live here every single day. 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Trading the E-minis. Hope you guys are doing well. TGIM. Thank God it's Monday. That's what we love to say here because we are back doing what we love most, trading futures with the community that we love most. The community here, I guess it's the Bye Bye Money community. Kind of weird to call it that, but best community here on YouTube, verified. We are here live with it. Looking forward towards the end of the weekend. Right? It's the only place you love Mondays. It's the only thing you can do when you love Mondays. Okay, interesting. We're still underneath the 20 EMA here. This is a menace. We are currently on a 100K journey, and look at the top left of your screen. We are, yeah, we're you know, we're 2,800. We're 2.8% of the way there. Let's just say that. 2.8%, and soon that's gonna turn to 5%. Then 6%, then 10%, 25%. You know, soon you get the picture. You'll get that picture. But we are green. Ooh, I'm gonna take this. Hopefully we can stay green. I'm gonna take trades like this. Is a L4 setup off the 20 EMA downtrend. 4 pushes up. Terrible looking signal bar, but we'll try. We'll try. It's a little bit confusing, to be honest. We'll try here. I think it's worth it. It's not that bad of a trade. Micro double top. Super small risk too. Oh, okay. Quick look at the daily chart. We hit a bear bar, right? We break to the downside here, and then we break again to the downside with some follow through. This bar really is going to help us decide what's going to happen next bar. If it's like a strong bear bar, then I'm thinking most likely follow through with that. But I mean, look at the pattern here. We're getting 2 bear bars, no follow through. 3 bear bars here, no follow through. I don't know. We'll see. It's really hard to time when we're gonna reverse here. I mean, it's one of the hardest things of trading. Ooh, may trigger here. Do I want the retracement? It looks choppy enough for retracement, right? I'll time the retracement here. It looks choppy enough to get a retracement. I think we'll get it. Every tick matters. Every tick matters, pandas. No tick left behind. I gotta time this though perfectly. It's like a reaction test. The moment it breaks down and breaks the previous candle's low, touches that super signal. You know I'm putting this 1 tick retracement. Every tick matters, pandas. What is this though? What is this? Okay. It's moving slow like molasses coming out of my mouth. What in the world? This is going really sideways here. I don't know. Very, very slow. Ooh, okay, the bid's hitting it. Bid is hitting it. Oh! Come on. Oh! I'm in. No! No way. No way. No way you're leaving without me. There's no way you're leaving without me. Hold your horses. Like, I could not get in it. Come on. Should I chase? Should I chase? I'll chase if it goes down one more tick. If it goes one tick again down, I'll chase. Come on. Get in. Get in there. I know you want to. Ooh. Alright, we're in. We're in. Stay patient, pandas. We're going to make a new low here. That's what we're aiming for. Amazing risk reward. 2-point risk. We're going to gain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. I'll take that. I'll take that. L4 setup. Very little risk for good reward here. Making that new low here. Let's see if we can get it. It's an L4 setup, right? It means 4 pushes up. We're hitting 20 EMA downtrend. Let's see if we get it, Panos. It doesn't look good so far. Like, I could have got an even deeper retracement if I wanted to. Good morning, guys. Make sure you scalp that like button. Make sure you guys drop a GM in the chat. I know you guys are capable of scalping that like button. We had 110 last Wednesday. 110 likes. I'll probably do that every FOMC, to be honest. It's just so slow. The giveaways make it fun. Even though we actually made some good bamboo that day. Looking for a new low here if we can get it. We'll see. Mawashi, good morning. Hugh, good morning. Free paper cuts, welcome. Welcome, guys. Welcome, everybody. The risk is so small. I don't mind getting hit here. I think we have good potential to push down here. The L4 setup on a downtrend off a resistance here. It's looking sus right now. We only got 300 more ticks on this, and it's not very good. It's not a very good entry bar. A little disappointed. Hope you guys had an amazing weekend. Hope you guys are ready to trade. What are we going to do this week, Pandas? We're going to do better than we did last week. We're going to stick to the plan. We're not moving our stop losses. We're trading one contract. Trading one contract, Pandas. We're going to have some good risk reward here. It's not looking good, though. This trade is starting to look a little rank. This is starting to look a little rank today. L4 setup failing here. We're risking 2 pandas. Easily lost that trade. So easy. That's how you... Wait, what's going on? Whoa, that was weird. There's like a weird delay. It doesn't really show you like your actual final P&L for some reason until later. I don't know why it takes so long. Free paper cuts. Morning blacklight. Welcome. Werewolf trading. Is today full moon? Oh geez. Oh geez. That's how you lose $100, pandas. That's how you lose $100 before the market even opens. Welcome to my channel. That's how learn how to lose $100 before the market even opens. That's how you do it. I'm gonna try it again here. L5. I think risk reward is still very good here. Not with an outside bar reversal though. I hate those. I hate outside bar reversals. Might just have tick shot at me right there, unfortunately. It's all good. I mean, I had a very small risk for good reward here, so I mean, it is what it is. That's the thing about small risk. High probability of losing. Right, good risk reward means high probability of losing. Never really that much over 60% on your trade. Is today full moon? If it's full moon in one place of the world, is it full moon everywhere? That's not true, right? You guys heard about the perfect solar eclipse? Peter Cho, good morning. Welcome, guys, welcome. We're going to attempt this again, even though we're super choppy. We're already tilted. We're going to try this one more time. Of course, your panda is going to come in with a retracement. Oh! Interesting. We're in. Gonna look for a new low again. We're getting, now this time, 1, 2, almost 3-point risk this time. And we're gaining more or less 5 points here. Very interesting. Market's about to open. I kind of like this. I want to open him. That pushes to my target. Should I get a 2-to-1? I might as well if we're looking for a new low. I feel like might as well get a 2-to-1. No, 2-to-1. It's just 2 more ticks. Famous last words, right? Just 2 more ticks. Oh, market just opened. It's going crazy. Oh, no. I thought it would just give me a nice volatility to get to my target, but it looks like it's getting wacky here. Oh, no. I think I lost this one, too. Quite possibly one of the dumbest trades of 2024. Quite possibly one of the dumbest trades of 2024. Or pandas. Quite possibly one of the dumbest trades 2024. Quite possibly. Quite possibly dumbest trade of 2024 so far. Or pandas. Or I really want an or here. I really want an or. We're still closing underneath the 20 MA. Or this is quite possibly dumbest trade 2024. Or
10,000.
Oh, I'm still in this trade. I don't know how. Or get ready, pandas. Get ready. Or come on. Come on. Oh, dumbest trade of 2024. Easily is dumbest trade of 2024. Darn it. All right, dumbest trade 2024. I thought we were gonna get a nice push down. Got super choppy. It is what it is. I mean, we got the we got the L4, we got the L5. We had another push down potential here. Downtrend. We had a lot of things going for it, but pandas. Dumbest trade of 2024. Coming back to the top of the trading range, marked by the trading range indicator. But you gotta say, you thought there was a chance. You have to admit, I'm not the only one who thought there was a chance for that to work out. We're trading one contract, Pan. One contract. One contract. We're good. We're all good here. Come on, pandas. No need to fret. No need to panic, pandas. It's the beginning of the week. Let's get that. We have full mental capital here. We can take a couple hits without going on tilt. Please. Good old H2O. You know what? It's because I was dehydrated. That's why I took that trade. That's the only reason. Let's try it again. Let's see. Let's read this market. Let's read the price action, pandas. Stay calm. H4L4's tip like they seem not to really work when I enter them, but when I don't enter them, they're beautiful, amazing moves. Like life-changing moves happen when I don't enter them. But when I enter them, it just sputters. All right, we're back to the top of the trading range on the 2000 tick chart. Printing a solid bull bar right now on the 5-minute. It may just try to fill the gap. I don't know. So many gaps to fill on the 5-minute chart. Top of the back of the trading range. I don't know. I'm not that tilted to go short here. Not yet. I would need at least a lower high. But at that point, we could create a two-leg pullback. Maybe I was trading right into this trend line. I don't know. Possibly. Possibly. Five-minute is printing a pretty strong bull bar. That's a lot of candles overlapping here. The 5-minute candle. Whoa, here we go. So it gaps down in the opening, and it's printing a solid, pretty strong bull bar here. Let's see if there's follow through. Let's see if there's follow through on that bull bar. I'm gonna wait for this to cook a little bit. I need more information, at least for the 5-minute chart. It was 100% because I was dehydrated. It's not a skill issue. It was a dehydration issue. What do you guys think? I don't know if it's just me. Have you guys seen the new basketball, airless basketball? It's a basketball that has like a mesh design, and it supposedly just mimics a real basketball, but you don't need air. Like the structure itself makes it so it bounces. Have you guys ever seen those clips? I don't know what it is. I mean, I think they're like $2,000 or something to buy right now. But whenever someone bounces it, it just looks very satisfying. It's satisfying because it's just like, I don't know if it's satisfying is the right word, but it's very like I really want to bounce it. I really want to try to bounce it because it doesn't look like it will feel like a regular basketball, and when it hits like the ground, it just makes no noise. And it makes me like I just really want to bounce one. Okay, we got a lower high here, but we're still got a trend line and 20 EMA blocking us. It's setting us up for a second entry long here. I can only really take it if we get a nice like touch of the 20 EMA and also a trend line, I think. But the trading range indicator is telling us we got trading range happening here. We can come back to the bottom of it. I think I'll be interested in the failed second entry long here, to be honest, but we shall see. Just like on Friday, I was just staring at trading range the entire day. I mean, let's look at Friday real quick. 5-minute chart. Look at the 5-minute trading range indicator. It gave us a trading range perfectly the entire day. Tell me what indicator can do this. Give you the trading range of the entire day. Comes up, and even at this point goes all the way back down with a strong bear bar. It ends up just bouncing right back to the top, and then it comes right back to the bottom. It's just... It's a miracle. It's a miracle indicator. It's just weird. It's so weird how accurate it is. Black Guy says, I don't really care for an airless basketball. I am looking forward to Apple sunglasses. Are they making, like, smart sunglasses? I know Ray-Bans have them with Android. They're pretty cool. I mean, that's, like, a pretty good compromise, I think, from with technology and aesthetics. I don't think people are ready for, like... There used to be a thing, like, the Google glasses or something. It used to be a thing, but... Can I really go long here on this terrible looking signal bar? Coming off our trend line. Yeah. I'm going to reverse it. I'm going to reverse it. This fails. Trying to get in with a small retracement here. I'm reversing if it fails, pandas. I'm going to be tilted. Second entry long coming off our trend line, also the 20 MA. But it's like getting choppy, right? We got overlapping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and one is a doji, overlapping bars. So I'm going to reverse it here. The question is, do I want to reverse it with more than one contract? That is a question. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Interesting. I have no idea what's happening, pandas. Oh! But I got a bad entry right there, I'll tell you that much. I got a bad entry right there, I'll tell you that much. Am I getting just chopped up here? Is this gonna make a new high here? Oh boy. If it doesn't come all the way down, I'm going to be hurting. Death by 1,000 paper cuts. That's what's happening right now. If it doesn't come all the way back down, I'm going to be hurting, right? If it makes a new high attempt here. I got a bad entry there too. Okay, it's looking decent. That's what you want to see when you enter a trade. Question is, are we gonna make a new low? Do we want a new... Whoa! Pandas! What just happened? It just like tapped off my... I think I gotta protect my stop loss here because it can bounce off the bottom of the trading range, come right back to the top. I gotta protect my stop loss now. The bottom of the trading range on the trading range indicator, it just like spikes down to it, bounces off of my target perfectly. What in the world is happening, pandas? Why would it do such a thing? Can you at least fill me here? I've been here for a while. Can you please fill me? Inside bar, please break to the downside. Do not break to the upside. Break to the downside right now. I dare you. I dare you. I dare you to break to the downside. I dare you right now. Come on. What? What? No. What's happening? Whew, okay. Hit. Oh. Fake breakdown? Jeez, am I going to make no money on this trade? Please don't tell me I'm going to make no money on this trade. Please don't tell me I'm going to make no money on this trade. I'm protecting my risk now. Oh, pandas, this is just terrible. It bounces off the... Whoa! What is wrong with this market? Is something wrong? Is like my... Is my like rhythmic like messing up or something? Like it's just spiking back and forth here. I don't know what's happening. It's a bit scary. Because I'm just staring at this and all of a sudden it just creates these like jerky movements. Very jerky today. So jerky. What is going on? Just give me, come on, just fill me. You already touched my target once. You can do it again. I believe you. I believe. You already did it once. You can do it again. Come on. Come on. Do I want more than this, though? Is the question, Pandas. Do I want to make a new low? Is the question. I kind of might as well look for a new low. Should I? Should I get greedy here? I might as well look for a new low. No? Am I tripping? I might as well look for a new low. Right? Alright, I'll take it. I'll take it. Even after 1, 2, 3 losses, because I had good risk reward, I'm only down $100. I'm 1 in 3 right now, Pandas. I'm 1 in 3, and I'm down only $100. Can you believe it, Pandas? It's the truth. Unbelievable. Hey, you have to admit, the trading range indicator is kind of clutch right now. It's kind of clutch right now. Even the target is kind of clutch. I'm just showing it to you at this point. This is a trading range clinic here. Trading range indicator clinic. Ray-Bans has it already. Yep. Go into your local Best Buy or look online. You can see Ray-Bans that already made smart glasses. They're pretty cool. They're a little thicker than normal glasses, but they're kind of. I think they're kind of cool. I don't know if I'd really wear them, but I don't like wearing sunglasses. I think you look a little douchey just wearing sunglasses all the time. But and if I wear them, I usually wear them when I drive. And if I'm just driving, I typically don't need smart glasses because everything I have, all the information I need, is already built in the car. GPS or music and things like that. It's kind of integrating in the car already. So, I don't know how useful I will use it, but if you like wearing sunglasses all the time, indoors, when it's sunny, when it's rainy, and when you don't care, then, it's for you. Perfect. It's basically having your smartphone, taped right in front of your eyes. I think there's a use for them in the future, though. I think if they just looked like frameless glasses, or they use transition lenses, which I am not a fan of transition lenses, Pandas. I kind of make fun of people who use transition lenses. The lenses that go from sunglasses to clear, depending on how bright it is outside, how bright your environment is. I make fun of those people. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe not fun of the person, but I make fun of the glasses. I think they're a little dorky, to be honest. But with smart glasses, I can see that there will be an exception for it because I'm not gonna carry around 2 pairs of glasses. 2 pair of smart glasses. I just think that's maybe a time where I'd be like, that's pretty cool. That actually makes a lot of sense to have transition lenses on smart glasses because you want to wear them as sunglasses, but sometimes you want to wear them inside because you have utility for them indoors. I hope that makes sense, Pandas.
10,000 tick trap.
Yeah, I'm a very mean panda. If you can make fun of it, I'm the first one there. Sign me up. Sunglasses are best at night and indoors. Yeah, no, they're very good, especially when you try to drive at night. It's the adrenaline you get for almost getting into 500 car accidents. There's nothing like it in the world. It's amazing. I don't recommend to do it. 10 out of 10. All right, Pandas, what's going on here? We hit the bottom of the trading range and we may come back to the top of the trading range. I don't know. Depends on today. We've got enough choppiness to do the choppy chops. But man, oh man, oh man. Tricky. I guess you could say more looks like this. With hindsight bias. Gonna break a trend to new high. Top of the trading range. Isn't that unbelievable? The trading range indicator said this was the top of the trading range. Remember, like, this trading range was up here even though we were down here. The trading range indicator says, we're still in a trading range. Comes up to it perfectly, to the tick. Comes back down to the bottom of it, to the tick. And we might head back to the top of it, to the tick. We'll see. He says, my eyes have always been sensitive to light. I'll get headaches from squinting outside even on a cloudy day. Then probably you will need some sort of shaded glasses. Okay. I'm sorry if you have a medical condition or something. Okay, I'm sorry about it. I'm sorry. Ruben, welcome. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. All right, we got an inside bar here. This is still choppy. Still not very clear what's happening here, which probably means trading range, but I don't know. Are we getting back to the top of it in this go? It's tough. Tough for me to say. I don't know. I don't think it helps the fact that the 10,000 tick chart is still underneath the 20 MA. Right, 10,000 tick. This is how we look like here. We're kind of creating a second entry short opportunity. Interesting. And surprisingly, the 5-minute actually, even though it creates a bull bar, it doesn't break a previous candle's high, so we're still on this down leg. And it creates an inside bar, and the inside bar makes a 1-to-1. Oh, I'm so glad I just took at the bottom trade. I'm so glad I didn't move it. I'm so glad I didn't get greedy there. I mean, whew. I would be pretty angry right now. I'm very curious to see what happens in this area, because those who missed this entry here, they might want to enter now. Or those who went long here are coming out break even. Curious. This is Bono from YouTube, and your comments are making me upset. I'm sorry, Bono. I never really listened to your music, but I'm sorry. I'm sorry that you are such a snowflake. That's what I'm sorry about. All right, what's going on here? Oh, okay. I'm very glad I took my profits here. And I'm kind of upset I didn't try to reverse it, come back to the top of the trading range. Goodness. Yeah. Oh my God. Okay. 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 Okay, interesting. The 5-minute straight up trading range, right? Just up, down, up. Sounds like a code on Nintendo. Up, down, up. A, B, A, B. What was it? Up, down, left, right, A, B, A, B. Something like that. What was the code? Ruben, welcome. Welcome, guys. Hugh, welcome. Peter, welcome. Good morning, guys. Thanks for throwing, thanks for engaging in the chat. We're coming right back to the top of the trading range. Unbelievable. You didn't believe it, right? You're saying there's no way the trading range indicator is that accurate. Well, it is, Pandas. Comes right back to the bottom of it. Notice it hits here, not down here. The trading range is actually here. Bounces up. Amazing. Absolutely incredibly accurate. That's crazy how accurate that is. I can't even explain it, how accurate, like why it's so accurate sometimes. I cannot even explain it. I just created it. It's like those people who create AI. They just create it and they don't know what happens. They'll just see what happens. Whew. Top of the trading range. Should I chance this? Should I just believe in my product and just go short right here? I mean, how unbelievable would that be? Just to go short right here, right now. I want at least 2 legs up, though. That's the thing. I want at least 2 legs up. This is 1 leg up. Give me 2 legs up. Give me 2 legs up, and if we're still in the range, I'll go short. There's only 1 single leg up, Pan. It's unbelievable. I need at least 2 legs up. You didn't hear anything. What is going on? Am I even gonna get 2 legs up here? Is it gonna be 1 leg up, 1 leg down? How crazy would that be, Panas? Truly, how crazy would that be? How scary accurate is this indicator right now? It's kind of scaring me at this point. Goodness gracious. I agree. 10,000 tick chart is showing it's not, it's still underneath the 20 MA, bouncing off of it and creating itself a nice little second entry short here. The 5-minute chart, just a lower high. 2 legs down. Okay, we might get our second leg up here, which is, I feel way more confident going short, top of this trading range with 2 legs up rather than 1 leg up. But notice how it's setting itself up for a second entry long, right? Like if this has another leg up, it could potentially do this, right? And then just continue upward. It can do that. That's a risk you have to take if you want to do this. And you got to look at the risk reward, seeing that even if you lose this, is it worth gaining this much? You got to consider that, right? With the market cycle we are in, I don't know. Okay, it's pushing up here. I would actually prefer if it broke this high here. I would prefer that at this point, because it will reset the count and won't create a second entry long right in this area. This can create itself a nice second entry long here at this point. I don't know, Pandas. I don't know. I don't know. Going up higher. Going up higher. Okay. If you went short here, you just lost that trade. Very small risk though. Right. It's a second entry long triggering. Hidden second entry long. I almost just want to wait for the 10,000 tick chart to trigger a second entry short to enter short here. Like I'm just waiting for this to go short, and I can maybe go the bottom trading range on the 10,000 tick. That's kind of what I'm waiting for at this point. You got a little tricky there. I'm not gonna lie. That was a little bit dicey. Very confusing. Okay, weird. It's actually a trap trade, hidden trap trade, all in one bar, right? It triggers a second entry short, then triggers a second entry long, and then triggers a trap, all in one bar, one single bar. That is like definition of chop. It could really only happen if you get super choppy. It's outside bar. This is confusing. I think I'm gonna stick to my plan. Maybe take a fail second entry long here, right? A technical one. If the second entry short triggers on the 10,000 tick, I'll take that. Either one, I'll take it. Fail second entry long here, or the 10,000 tick second entry short. Let me show it to you one more time. 10,000 tick second entry short, just 2 legs up. We also say A, B, C, makes it easy. Then saying, first pullback, first entry, second pullback, second entry. It's a lot easier to say than than that. Just like ABC. Essentially the same thing. Yo, finance. Welcome. Welcome, guys. All right, pandas. Let's see if we get our fail second entry long. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Pandas, quick chart check. Does my chart look like yours? Does my chart look like yours? Quick chart check. Here we go. Okay. Okay. It looks like a good second entry long now at this point almost. Jeez. But we're still underneath the resistance here, right? If this kind of happened above the resistance, I'll be more inclined to take it. But this is happening right beneath the resistance, showing us that it could be resistance. We could hit our heads on it. What coin is this? It's a panda coin. Emini. Hugh says looks like mine. Nice. I think we're good to go. We are good to go. Give me that fail second entry long or the second entry short on the 10K chart. Give me one or the other here. I'm just scared that the 10,000 tick is going to just crash before I can even enter in. It's going to give me too big of a risk. I don't like that. Come on. Give me a second entry long here. Failure. Okay. 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 I'm looking to go short here, Pandas. I just need some sort of entry. Fortunately, the 2000 tick is not giving me what I want. But you gotta be patient, Pandas, because we could be dodging a bullet here, right? I'm trying to go short, but I want to go with the good timing. Ooh, look at that. See? That's why you don't want to... Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa. Gotta focus here a little bit. Focus up. Here we go. We're above 20 MA, but I think it's okay. Or not. That's why you don't take traps above the 20 MA. Pandas! That's why you don't take traps above the 20 MA. Goodness gracious. I got trapped out of my mind right there. What in the world was that? I got trapped out of my mind. What in the world? That's why you don't take traps above the 20 MA, Pandas. Goodness gracious. This is so choppy. It's like... They look like needles, right? It'll just poke you. It looks disgusting. The price action. It feels icky. What in the world? Are we coming back down? I mean, I'll take it, but that's crazy. If we come back down, I'll take it. That's just crazy, though. It's just weird. Very weird price action. There's a micro triple top. I mean, I'm holding this, obviously, now. I gotta hold it. I gotta hold it to the bitter end. Micro triple top. This is just crazy. What is going on? What is actually happening right now? I do not know. I just feel like if it does come down, we have good risk reward here. What in the world? Okay, looks good. Come on. Drip.
Tick trap.
Drip. Too much drip. Give me more drip. I need more drip than that. Oh boy. I need more drip than that. I need way more drip than that. Right. 10,000 ticks against your short triggers. This should bring me back down here, Pandas. This really should. This should get me down here, Pandas. I'm gonna make a new. I'm gonna look for a new low here, pandas. This should do this, right? If things go according to how they normally go, this should happen. But if they don't, then we may get a big reversal here. Big old reversal. It's not looking good. It's not looking pretty. I'm basically just taking the 10,000 tick second entry short now with a decent entry now, and I put my stop loss above this signal bar. That's just I think it's fair. I think it's a fair trade. Downtrend second entry short and off of 20 MA. So, and it's on the higher time frame as well. I mean, if this traps, it could be a good big reversal. I don't know if I want to take it though. If this traps, I mean, it could be a pretty big reversal. I don't know. Do I want to reverse it? I gotta make a decision now. I can't make it later. No, I think I'll just take the hit, and if it reverses, it reverses, and that's on God. On God, on God. If it reverses, that's on God. What can I do? Do I want to take the reversal, pandas? I don't know. I don't think I can. I don't think I can. I don't know. I'm just hold it. I'll take the hit. I mean, the risk is only what? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 3.25 points. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. I'll take the hit. I'll say this much. This does not look good, right? With 10,000 ticks. Remember, this is a 10,000 tick chart. And we did 10,000 ticks of nothing. Absolutely nothing here. So, it's making it feel like I might just get chopped up here. And I may just need to sit on my paws for a while if I lose this trade. I just don't know. It looks like one of those days where you get tick shotted a lot. Okay, pushing down. That's a good sign. Kind of good sign. Okay, I don't know. I don't know what's happening. Wow. The 10,000, the 2,000 tick chart is creating an H4 setup in this teeny little space. Just like here, creating the L4 setup in that teeny space. But now this is a H4 setup in this teeny little space. Ah, jeez. I don't know. This was tough. Hopefully it does exactly what happened here and it fails. The L4 fails. H4 fails here. Right at the top of the trading range. Hopefully it just fails and plummets like a rock. This is Chevy heavy. Like a rock. Goodness gracious. Alright. Darn. Man.
10,000 tick trap.
I mean, I can protect myself from like 2 ticks of loss. Because if the trap triggers, and I really don't want to stick around. I don't want to stick around and see what happens, you know? I don't want to mess around and see what happens. I don't want to mess around and find out. You know what I mean? Oh, I'll just say that's not the kind of bar you want for your entry bar. I'll say that much. I don't like this, pandas. I almost want to skunk it at this point. Should I just skunk it? Take a small hit. It just does not look good. Yeah, it looks really bad now. Jeez, I'm gonna hit here. What we get the H4 triggers? Just because I would be really mad at myself if it does reverse before triggering this, but this looks almost bullish at this point. We got 1, 2, 3. Wow, I mean, if we hit it again, that's absolutely incredible. I would be really mad at myself if, for some reason, it triggers and doesn't actually break to the upside here. I'll be somewhat upset at myself. I'll just take the proper stop loss here. I mean, it looks bullish at this point on the 2000 tick chart, right? 20 EMA is curling up at a higher low. You're kind of building up pressure underneath this resistance to break out of it. It's tough to see,
5-minute
but
trap.
it is what it is. Trap triggers on 10,000 tick chart. I'm surprised I didn't get stopped out immediately. I'm gonna get stopped out soon though. Yeah, there it is. At least I didn't get. At least I didn't get slippage. You know, you gotta celebrate the small victories. At least I didn't get slippage, pandas. At least I didn't slip there. The trap does trigger on a 10,000 tick chart, and it could cause a big reversal. I just don't like it's underneath the 20 MA. I don't know. I just don't like it. I just don't like the fact that I may get like ping pong back and forth right there. I'm just gonna let it play out. If it does have a big reversal there, then it is what it is. Yeah, I mean, what can I do? The H4 setup underneath, above the 20 MA. Break a trend new high here. I got a little too confident in the trading range indicator, perhaps. Like a little too confident there. Trap on the 10,000 tick chart. It's not a setup you mess around with. The 10,000 tick trap holds a lot of weight, in my opinion. Holds a lot of weight. This could be just like a double bottom here. Boom, boom, and now we're breaking to the upside. Could possibly be the case.
5-minute trap.
It looks quite bullish right now. The 5-minute actually enters always in long trading. Interesting. The 5 minutes always in long. You can tell the 5 minutes always in long because the moment this candle finishes, you can see that buyers were eager to jump in and actually had a limit order right at the close of that bar. So when it comes back down to it, it bounces right off the close. So you know you're always in long by the close right now on the 5 minute. Strong bull bar on the 10,000 tick chart. See, this is why you don't mess around with the traps on the 10,000 tick chart. It happens underneath the 20 MA. It's ugly. I don't know. Alright, look quite bullish. Could possibly be creating a measure move at this point. It's a measure move here. We're at H4 setup. L4 fails here. H4 works here though. It's always when you don't do it, yeah, it works for you, huh? I don't know. When I see this, I'm not really looking for I'm not really looking for the trap here. I don't know why. Maybe it's a breaker trend new low. Look for a trap here. Could be the case. Okay, down 270. It's not the worst. It's not the worst, pandas. I will probably take the second entry short on the 10,000 tick chart. Sorry, 5 minute chart. 5 minute chart is creating a second entry short. A, B, C. I mean, we're underneath the 20 MA 5 minute chart, creating a second entry short. I mean, simple as that. Potentially two strong bull bars above 20 MA on the 10,000 tick. Ruben up 160. Congrats.
Five-minute trap.
Sorry about that, Penis. I'm 1 and 4. I was saying that either we are going to hit the measure move or the 5 minute 20 MA. We're getting close.
10,000 tick
And
trap.
also, my record is 1 and 4. So that means out of 5 trades, I won 1 time. So my record today is 20%. I'm a 20% trader. But down 270, not too bad actually, right? All things considered, being down 270 is not that bad, pandas. It's not that bad. Come on. You've seen worse. You've seen worse. It's not that bad. All right, what's going on here? Second edge is short on the 5-minute chart. You know your panda's gonna try. You know your panda's gonna try. The 5-minute second entry short. You know your panda's gonna try. You know your panda's gonna try. Got 20 seconds here. Second entry short. This might be the second worst trade of 2024. Breaking all records today. We're breaking all sorts of records today. And we're going for the big one, pandas. We're making a new low. We're making a new low here if this triggers. Just get ready. Get ready, pandas. Second entry short, 5-minute chart. It does not yet trigger. I don't mind it. I don't mind it not triggering right now. I wouldn't mind if I actually touched the 20 EMA at this point. Because it can be it could be a magnet. So if it does trigger this, it may actually cause it to still come back up. Right? People limit orders waiting down here. We got a 5-minute setup right now. Let's see if we can get it. I'm down bad. Had a $500 target. You got tickle. Now down 600 on the same trade. Hard to close. It's a 1,000-point swing on one trade. I mean, that is, yeah. I know how it feels. But you're basically looking for that one-to-one, which is not like at the end. It's probably not that bad of a trade, to be honest. All right, we don't actually trigger the second entry short. We can actually come and actually touch or get close to the 20 EMA, which is nice. The 2000 tick chart actually hits the or the measure move here of this H4. Remember by H4, we got a 4 here. 4 pushes down and then pushes up. The outside bar reversal as well. 5-minute chart just touching the 20 EMA now. It looks bullish. Am I silly trying to go long here? Yes, I am. I'm absolutely being silly here. It looks like we want to fill the gap on the 5-minute chart. Kind of like mine as well while we're up here. Right, there's a gap here on the 5-minute. Might as well fill that gap, sort of thing. Pretty strong uptrend, I might say. Pretty strong uptrend. Let's see if we triggered a second just short here after touching the 20 MA on the 5-minute. Got 1 more minute on this trade. Today is kind of slow.
10,000 tick
We have news later this week, so it could be slow until the news, unfortunately. News basically starts from Thursday. We do have news on Wednesday, but nothing to fuss about. Also news tomorrow, nothing to fuss about, but Thursday is when the news actually starts to pick up. Yeah, Black I'm sorry to hear that, man. I just... Alright. Second to short pandas. Let's get it! Here we go. Will I reverse on the trap? Nah. Let's take the hit. Elite 888. Why did you change your name? Did you have more 8s? It wasn't like 88818888, some of that. Black guy says, I don't think I can do limits anymore, huh? Like trailing threshold limits? Or consistency rule limits? What do you mean by limits? Having targets, I mean. I see. YL, welcome. Like, yeah, man. I mean, I'm not sure what you mean by targets. You mean like daily profit targets? Like, you know, I definitely don't believe in that. I definitely don't believe in daily profit targets. It just doesn't make sense if you think about it, right? Like, who knows how many setups you're gonna get? And like, you only can take what the market gives you. And if you have like daily targets, it's just like you're making trades not based off setups or price action. You're making trades based off like hitting an arbitrary limit. Ooh, second to short, pandas. Get ready. Get ready here. We're going for it all, pandas. We're making a new low. We're going for it all. How much are we risking here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and a quarter. 4 and a quarter. Actually changed it because of you. Could just say Lee. True. All right, Lee. 88818888. I know who you are. Long, 12 deep. Wow. Let's go. Well, I hope you get it. I'm okay if I lose this. It's just like 200 some bucks. We're going for it all, pandas. We're going for the big kahuna. It's sus. I'm not gonna lie. It's a little sus right now. It's just creating doji bars. No strong conviction here. It's a little sus. I get it. I see it. Yeah. This stream used to be like 100 likes every stream. It was amazing. We had like 200 people here watching, at least 200 plus, almost 300 sometimes. Ooh, pandas. Second entry short. It's a struggle. It's a struggle. Streaming is a struggle. It's funny because I actually have more subs than ever before, but it's just hard to get the views. I don't know. Trap may trigger here, which would be unfortunate. So we do get a nice little push down here, but is it enough though? Is it enough to get back to the bottom of the trading range? Is it enough? Who knows? Hugh says you gotta stop going on vacations and taking breaks. Sorry. I'm just you know, I am a panda after all. I do need to take breaks sometimes. Which being said, I will be taking a break tomorrow. I think 1 day a week is good for me. I probably take 1 day a week off. Probably for the summertime. Summer trading is like, it's really slow. It's really bad. So I may be taking, 1 day off during the summer, a week. I have thought about doing all day streams, but I mean, I can't. I just have a full-time job. I just can't do it.
10,000
I'm sorry.
Trap.
Yeah, I mean, I love the community here. I don't care. Honestly, I don't. If I had one person viewing, I wouldn't care. I would do what I'm doing here. I'll still do what I do. And that's what I recommend for anyone who streams. Like, just do what you love. Do what you love, so streaming is not a chore, right? So it's not a job. If you ever want to stream. I think a lot of successful people on streams, they do that. It's like more lifestyle stuff. Like people who literally record themselves cleaning carpets. I could watch that stuff like for an hour straight. Someone cleaning a carpet. Someone fixing a watch, right? A wristwatch, like a vintage wristwatch. Pandas. see what I see. We're going to aim for our target here, which is a new low. Let's see if we get it, pandas. Let's get that new low. Get it, get it, get it, get it. It's just so slow. Even if we get the new low, it's just like grinding here. Route grounds. I love to watch those volunteer landscapers. Yeah, those I could watch that. It's just amazing to see like beginning to end. Bought my indicator before finding the stream. Says bye. Let's go. We got a potential trap on a 2000 tick chart, which really could push this down to where we need it to push. Right, we got a potential trap on the 2000 tick chart. It could be the potential setup that we're looking for here. We also got a trap set up on the 5-minute chart. What can I say? But it's beneath the 20 MA. Something I'd be interested in. Trap may trigger here, but it's beneath the 20 MA, so it's not good. But it's still, because these traps are so strong on these higher time frames, like it can trigger underneath the 20 MA, still reverse the market. You could easily. I mean, this may actually try to want to hit, fill the gap as well. I can see all that happening here. It's a nice signal bar for the trap. I don't know if I want to stick around to find out here. I don't like traps. I don't like being a trade into traps. I don't like it, like, regardless. I don't care if it's underneath the 20 MA or above 20 MA. I just don't like any of them. This one traps here. I can come out break even maybe here. Potentially. Yeah, I don't know. You want a little more than that on that second entry short. I'll just take the hit and then just move on. This might be my last trade of the stream anyways. But tomorrow I won't be streaming. I'll be back on Wednesday. So we do have news tomorrow, and that news will be at 10 a.m. It's a make or break news event. I don't think so. I think that's going to happen on either Thursday or Friday. I think more likely Friday. If you're looking for a trade to pass your evals in one single trade, Friday's probably your best bet. Friday's probably your best bet. But yeah. Unfortunately, the promo ends on Wednesday, so I don't know. Like, it depends on what you want to do. The promo ends on Wednesday, so you can take a couple chances till then. The promo's nice because you have 1 day to pass, and also it's 80% off with 50% off resets. So the promo's good if you want to be aggressive, right? That's when you want to be aggressive, when you have the promo, so it's cheap to regain. But unfortunately, I don't think we have the news that's gonna really get us to push. You can find the setup instead. Typically, good like reversal setups are nice to take, or something like that. But breakout setups are also good to take to pass your accounts. But yeah, so it is what it is. This probably be my last trade of the stream, so I'm just gonna hold it and win or lose, pandas. I mean, most likely lose, right? The probability of going up here to down here is probably higher, right? But we got a little bit edge because we're underneath the 20 MA. We got a second entry short, and also we got indicators, right? We got the trading range indicator On the 10,000 tick chart, say we come back to the bottom of the trading range here, 10,000 tick chart. 5-minute also, we have some room to come back down. I would love a failed trap here. I would love that. I would love a failed trap, pandas. Failed trap all the way. I would love that. Do markets open? I believe they open Friday. I don't think market observes. Does the market observe Easter? I don't think so. I could never. I can never really know. Reading the CME holiday calendar is harder than reading price action itself. Yeah, yeah. It does not observe Easter. Lee A says, do you have to do it all in one day? So the promo means minimum of 1 day. So that means you can pass it in 1 day. You can take as long as you want.
10,000 tick
But the
trap.
promo is you can pass it in 1 day, so you can get funded literally in 24 hours from trading, less than 24 hours. So the markets are open this Friday, by the way. But also, it's easy to pass your accounts. I think the easiest way to pass your accounts is honestly just taking one big trade. Potential failed trap here, but I could skunk this. Like I said, I'm just gonna hold it because it's probably my last trade of the stream, and I would love if this trap fails. I think that would be an amazing setup for me here. Really good. Like close on Friday, open. Are you sure? Wait, are you sure about that? Wait, are you sure about that? I'm looking at CME Globex. I don't see anything for March or April. I think it is open Friday. Someone can confirm, but I think it is open. Got a little silliness happening here right now. Don't know what's happening, but it's a little bit silly. Again, I can skunk this trade if I don't like how it looks. It doesn't look all that great, but hey, we're still underneath the 20 MA. I mean, the volume will probably be very low. Even though the market's open, I mean, the market will probably be very slow. Jeez Louise, pandas, what's going on? This is like a Walmart trade where you just walk away and then come back in like 3 hours, see what happens. Close on Friday, open. That's the CME website. Okay, is it? Man, I'm looking at the CME website as well. I don't know what's happening. Oh, Good Friday. Ah, you're right. Good Friday is closed. Okay. I'm mistaken. Good Friday is closed. Yeah. Looks like Good Friday may be closed. Sorry about that. I think Good Friday is closed. Um, hey, we're still in this trade, Panis. Let's see what happens. I'm curious. Last trade of the stream. Let's just let it run its course, yeah? Let it run its course. Hopefully. I would love to see the failed trap here because that's even a better setup than the trap itself. When you get failed trap, that's a better setup. Goodness gracious. I almost want to go short here again with 2 contracts. I'm not going to lie. It feels a little greedy, but it makes sense, I think, at this point to try. Almost want to go short here. Almost want to go short, but I'm also already in a trade. I'm looking for a 2-to-1. I'm going for more than 2-to-1 here. Okay. Okay. Getting a micro double bottom here. Sure, why not? Sure, why not? Okay. It doesn't actually reverse here yet. It just creates a bear bar with a long tail. Huh. You gotta love days like this, though. You gotta love days like this, though. I'm so knowledge. That's one way to say it. Ooh, pandas. Ooh. I'm turning Super Saiyan on if we break below here. If we get a failed trap, I'm turning. That is a worthy occasion for Super Saiyan. Come on, come on. Micro triple top. What is that about, pandas? Or micro triple bottom. What is that? Look, pandas. We're gonna break it. We're gonna break this low. Lower high secondary short. Super Saiyan. Super Saiyan. I'm ready, pandas. I'm ready for the flush. I'm ready for the flush, pandas. Where is it at? Where's my flush at, pandas? Where are you at, flush? I know you're around here somewhere. I know you have the ability to flush here. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. You can do better than that. You can do much better than that. Come on. You can do better than that. Oh, man. It needs to do better than that. If it can't do better than this, pandas, I'm a bit scared. I'm actually a bit scared. Come on. You can do it. All right, we gotta let it cook, pandas. We gotta let it cook. You gotta let it cook a little bit. Gotta let it cook. Wow. Oh boy, that's not looking good. That is not good. I'm a little disappointed in this. Right, we got failed trap here, and those typically are very strong. Very strong setups. A failed trap underneath the 20 MA. I mean, that is something else, no? Ooh, okay, here we go. Come on. I need this to flush. I need this to flush hard. Pandas. Ooh. Ooh. Only 3 points so far. What is this? Can I at least make a 1-to-1? I mean, a 1-to-1, like, can I make at least a 1-to-1? Is that too much to ask for? We don't even get a 1-to-1 yet. 2 ticks away from a 1-to-1. Look at the 2000 tick chart. Look how ugly this looks. Like, honestly, you should just shut your charts off, because when your price action looks like this terrible, you just stay away, because this is so ugly. This is horrendous price action. So many overlapping bars. It's just not a day to trade. It really is not. But the higher time frames just kind of take away the noise that the smaller time frames have, and I'm just straight up just trading a second entry short, and that's all I've done so far today, like on this 5 minute. And just gonna keep my setup, right? Just at least a 1-to-1, and hopefully we can get a new low. That's what I'm hoping for here. Got 10 more seconds on this bar. It's not the prettiest, not gonna lie. Not the prettiest. So I'm a little bit disappointed. Let's get an always in short going on here somewhere. That's the opposite of always in short. That's like always in long, almost. Right, buy the close. I like people to sell the close here if they can. But worst case scenario, we lose what, like $200. 1, 2, 1. Yeah, a little more than $200. $212. Buckaroonies, bambaroonies. Okay. Huh. I'm better off literally walking away from my computer and just let this finish on its own, in its own time. Goodness gracious, this is like molasses. Literally, when I see the 2000 tick chart, it kind of almost disgusts me. It's just annoying. It's frustrating. The 5 minute chart setting itself up for a second entry long. It could do a measure move up. It could do measure move up. It can do measure move up. It could also give us a failed second entry long here and give us a trap to the downside. I don't know, Pandas. It looks so choppy. I have no idea what's gonna happen here. What is worse, having your target tickled or waiting for a setup, entering the setup, and then instantly getting stopped out? Ooh, probably the latter. Probably the latter, because at least for the first scenario, you can take your risk off, right? You have an opportunity to say, you know what, target tickled. I might have perfectly measured the target, and I just couldn't get filled. So it may reverse here. So you can at least come out break even, right? Take your risk off. But with the second scenario, you virtually just nothing you can do. You just lose it. It's gone. Getting tickled and instantly get stopped out. Yeah, that that is probably the worst. This PA is horrendous. I'll say that much. Even on the higher time frames, it's pretty bad. But I mean, there is some potential here. We can actually push down here. Let's see. It's a limit. It's turning into a limit order market. That's the problem. It's like pure limit order market right now. Ooh, ooh, pushing down, pushing down. I think it's pretty obvious to see the 10,000 tick chart where the limit orders are set, right? Like a couple ticks beneath the previous bar, couple ticks beneath the high of the previous bar. It's just like limit orders, like just clearly seen in the price action on the 10,000 tick chart. I don't know, Panos. I don't know what's gonna happen here. I'm okay with either scenario, to be honest. I mean, I could make some bamboo here. I could just close this and be happy with it. But is it worth $100? Is it worth $100 just to close this out? I don't know. Especially I'm risking like so much. I was like willing to risk 4 points here. Do you guys hear that? Can you guys hear that? I don't know if my mic is sensitive enough. Okay, we got another inside bar here. Finally triggers the second entry long here. Let's see if it triggers it with force. Super Saiyan, turn it off Super Saiyan because not feeling so super about this now. We're still clearly underneath the 20 MA, which is what I like.
Target filled.
I'm out. I don't want to mess around. I don't like what I see. It's just too choppy. I don't know what's happening here. I don't know why I'm not able to get out of my trades. Like it takes so long to get out of the trades. Technically, I'm still in this trade, I guess. I don't know. But something's wrong, right? Like my ninja and the rhythmic is off. Like I'm actually out of this trade. I should be out, but on the On the UIs, it says I'm still in this trade, but yeah. All right, pandas. With that being said, pandas, tomorrow I am taking a break. I'll see you guys bright and early on Wednesday. Hope you guys trade well today. It's a little messy today, so be careful. And I hope you guys do better than me. I'm down 262 today, which is, all things considered, not the worst. But I'll see you guys bright and early. And yeah, trade safe, everyone. And see you guys again, same time tomorrow. Or same time Wednesday. That being said, pandas, as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.